Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Xfinity Error Code 3005, Streaming Error, Reboot and DNS. Fix 1. Hard power cycle the TV box. Unplug your Xfinity TV box directly from the power source for 1 to 2 minutes. This allows the device to clear its temporary cache and re-establish a fresh connection to Xfinity servers. Once plugged back in, allow the device to fully boot up before trying to watch TV. 6. 2. Check physical cable connections. Cable is often the root cause of Xfinity tuner and IDK errors. Ensure the coaxial cable running from the wall to your TV box is securely fastened. Check any splitters in your setup to make sure all connections are finger tight. 6. 3. Clear app data and cookies. Press the Xfinity button on your remote and go to Settings, the gear icon, and select it. Inside Settings, navigate to Privacy and select Clear Cookies and Local Storage Data. 6. 4. Refresh your system via the Xfinity app. Now open the free Xfinity app and go to the Account or Device Management section, and from there select System Refresh. You can also perform this by going into your TV box settings and choosing the System Refresh option. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.